In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT giving wrong answers. 2026 Full Guide. If you're seeing answers that cut off, contradict themselves, or feel strangely off, the issue is often less about the model's knowledge and more about the environment it's running in or how the prompt is delivered. First, stabilize the session. If the response stream hangs or you see a red error banner, click the Stop Generating square to close the broken connection. Then refresh your page to reset the interface and hit Regenerate under the incomplete reply. This spins up a fresh processing container and often clears the glitch that was corrupting the answer midstream. Next, simplify what you're asking. Overly dense prompts, huge pasted logs, or multi-layered instructions can hit timeout thresholds and silently degrade quality before the stream fails. A classic symptom is a great start, a 10 to 15 second pause and then an error. Break big requests into small, ordered chunks. Start with something like, outline the Yosta structural framework for my task. Once that's clean, say, great. Now flesh out section 1 only, following the prior guidelines. This sequential layering keeps the model within safe computation windows and preserves accuracy. If things are still inconsistent, check for browser blockers. ChatGPT uses WebSockets to stream live text, and some ad blockers or privacy shields misinterpret that traffic. Open a private or incognito window and try the same prompt. If it streams cleanly there, whitelist chatgpt.com in your main browser's blocker settings rather than disabling your protections outright. Network routing can also skew results by cutting streams prematurely. If you're on a VPN, temporarily turn it off or switch to a less crowded, more stable node. On mobile, avoid running heavy prompts while moving between cell towers or hopping Wi-Fi networks. Stick to a single, reliable connection so the session doesn't drop right as the model is reasoning, which can lead to incomplete or misleading answers. Finally, isolate whether the problem is your prompt or the system. Open a new chat and send a single word like hello. If that streams perfectly, but your original request keeps failing, the issue lives in the length or internal logic of your prompt. So keep trimming and layering. If even hello fails, check status.opena.com for any active incidents or regional capacity constraints. Follow these steps, and you'll turn flaky, wrong-feeling outputs into clear, stable answers. Keep prompts modular, keep your connection steady, and regenerate when in doubt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.